Most things we believe about dinner are wrong. We work all day long. We reward ourselves with massive evening feasts, but your biology strongly disagrees. There is a specific window for eating. Your body actually begs for it. Miss it, and your metabolism fights you. Think about it for a second. The sun goes down. Your internal organs prepare to shut down. Pushing heavy food into your stomach at 8, it is like starting a project at midnight. The workers are tired, the lights are off, mistakes are absolutely going to happen. Eating early is not just for retirees, it is a pure biological cheat code. Researchers are finding something fascinating. This specific timing rewires fat storage. It changes how you process sugar, it alters your entire sleep architecture, and it is wild how fast it works. We're talking changes in under a week. We will look exactly at what happens inside. We will break down the science completely, and I will show you why breaking rules, it might fix things you never realized.
Let us talk about your biological clock. You know about your brain's circadian rhythm. It tells you to sleep after dark. But your stomach has its own clock. Your liver has a clock too. Even your pancreas operates on a schedule. These clocks are controlled by when you eat. Eating a big meal at 8 causes trouble. You completely confuse these internal organs. Your brain says it is time to sleep, but your gut thinks the sun is shining. Food just arrived in the system. This creates absolute chaos inside your body. Scientists call this circadian misalignment. Your organs are working in different time zones. The 5 o'clock meal fixes this entirely. Eating before sunset aligns gut and brain. Both clocks finally tick in perfect harmony. You stop forcing your gut to work late. Energy saved is immediately redirected. Your body uses it for cellular repair. It stops churning through late-night calories. It is a beautifully efficient system.
Insulin is the hormone that stores fat, and it is incredibly sensitive to light. This is a crucial piece of the puzzle. Morning and afternoon are very different. Your body is highly sensitive to insulin. You eat carbohydrates without much issue. Your muscles absorb them quickly. They use them for immediate energy. But as evening approaches, something shifts. Daylight fades and insulin sensitivity plummets. Eating rice at 5 versus 8 is different. The hormonal response changes completely. Eat it at 5 and fuel your walk. Eat it at 8 and your body struggles. It cannot clear sugar from your blood. That lingering sugar gets packed away as fat. It is almost completely unfair, really. You could be eating perfectly healthy foods. Getting the timing wrong ruins the benefit. The early meal uses your peak metabolic window. You catch the end of your active state. You feed the machine before it powers down. This prevents nasty overnight blood sugar spikes. Historically speaking, late dinners are very new. Look back a few hundred years. Things were entirely different then. Humans ate their largest meal at midday. The evening meal was usually tiny. It was just leftovers eaten before sunset. Artificial lighting changed absolutely everything. We could light up our homes easily. We extended our days and work hours. Naturally, we pushed our eating hours later. But our DNA did not get the memo. Our genetics remain programmed for sunset dinners. Some of the longest living populations agree. Traditional cultures rarely eat late at night. They intuitively know heavy late meals disrupt things. They prioritize digestion while still active. We traded biology for industrial convenience. The early dinner returns to factory settings. It honors how our bodies evolved. It respects the natural drop in energy.
Let us look at a specific biological rule. We need to align with natural rhythms. Focus on living alongside the sunlight. Digestion requires massive blood flow. It takes energy to break down food. Eating late traps blood in your core. It is busy processing that meal. But your body wants to cool down. To sleep well, your core temperature must drop.
Eating late prevents this temperature drop entirely. Your core stays warm and active. This destroys your deep sleep phases. You might be unconscious for 8 hours, but you are not truly resting. Your body is working a night shift. Eating at 5 gives a 3-hour buffer. Digestion finishes before your head hits the pillow. Your core temperature drops naturally. Your sleep quality improves almost instantly. What actually happens right at 5, you finish your last bite of food, the digestive cascade begins immediately. Your stomach acid goes to work. Enzymes break down proteins and fats. Over the next 3 hours, nutrients absorb. By 8 o'clock, the heavy lifting is done. Your stomach is emptying out. Your insulin levels return to baseline nicely. Your blood sugar stabilizes for the night. This is when the magic starts. Your body switches from absorbing to burning. Since no new food is coming in, it has to look for internal energy. It starts tapping into stored glycogen. Eventually, it moves towards stored body fat. You enter a mild fasting state effortlessly. You are burning fat while watching television, all because you shifted the timeline forward.
Have you heard of a food hangover? You wake up feeling sluggish and heavy. Your face might look a bit puffy. People blame it on getting older, or they blame it on a bad mattress. Actually, it is often just undigested food. When you eat late, digestion slows down. As you sleep, your gut motility drops. Food essentially sits there stagnant all night. It causes low-grade inflammation in your gut. This inflammation travels through your whole system. It affects your joints and your brain. Waking up groggy is a direct result. The 5 o'clock meal eliminates the food hangover. You wake up with a completely empty stomach. You feel light and surprisingly energetic. Your brain turns on much faster. The morning brain fog just completely vanishes. Your body has 2 primary modes. It can digest or it can repair. It cannot do both perfectly at once. Digestion is a highly demanding physical process. It commands attention from your immune system. It requires massive cellular resources. Cellular repair is equally demanding. Cleaning out dead cells takes energy. Rebuilding muscle tissue takes effort. Fixing DNA damage requires complete focus. When you force late-night digestion, you literally steal resources from cellular repair. You age a tiny bit faster every night. The early dinner acts as a biological shield. It handles digestion during waking hours. The night is reserved purely for healing. Your body gets 8 uninterrupted hours. It is a dedicated nighttime cleaning crew. The anti-aging benefits are absolutely massive.
Let us talk about autophagy. It is a big scientific word. It means your cells are eating themselves. That sounds bad, but it is wonderful. It is how your body clears out garbage. It removes damaged proteins and dead cells. Autophagy only triggers when insulin drops completely. If you eat at 8 at night, your insulin stays high until midnight. Autophagy might only run for a few hours. But if you finish eating at 5, your insulin drops by 8 o'clock. You get hours of extra cellular cleaning. The cleaning process sweeps through your brain. It clears out plaque and metabolic waste. This extra daily cleaning compounds over time. It protects your cognitive function long term. You are literally spring cleaning your brain nightly.
There is a huge social problem, though. Eating at 5 is socially awkward. Our entire culture revolves around late dinners. Restaurants barely open before 6. Dinner parties start late in the evening. Family gatherings center around late-night feasts. This is the hardest part of the change. You will have to be a bit weird. You might eat before meeting friends. You might sip tea while they eat steak. People will definitely ask questions. They will tell you it is too early. They will say you will be starving later. Let them think it is strange. You are protecting your metabolic health. You are prioritizing your sleep architecture. Social norms do not dictate your biology. Once they see your energy levels change, they will probably ask how you do it.
It should look like a timely balance. You cannot just eat a giant pizza. The composition of the meal matters deeply. It is your last fuel for hours. It needs to sustain you through the evening. Protein is your absolute best friend here. Aim for a solid block of protein. Add a generous amount of healthy fats. Fiber is the final crucial component. This combination digests slowly and steadily. It releases energy over several hours. This prevents the dreaded 9 o'clock hunger pangs. If you eat a plate of simple carbs, you will crash and crave sugar instantly. But salmon with olive oil and vegetables, that keeps your blood sugar perfectly flat. You feel satisfied until you fall asleep.
The 9 o'clock snack craving is real. It will happen during the first week. Your brain is used to a dopamine hit. Evening snacks are rarely about actual hunger. They're about comfort and habit. Your brain wants a reward after work. You have to break this neurological loop. When the craving hits, drink herbal tea. Peppermint or chamomile work perfectly for this. Warm liquids physically stretch your stomach slightly. This sends fullness signals to your brain. It tricks your nervous system into relaxing. The craving usually passes in 20 minutes. It is a purely mental battle. Your body has plenty of stored energy. It just prefers the easy sugar hit. Teach it to use the stored energy instead.
Think about the automatic fast you create. Finishing dinner at 5 is incredibly powerful. You do not eat again until breakfast. Even if you eat breakfast at 7, you just completed a 14-hour fast. You did it entirely by accident. You did not skip meals during the day. You did not starve yourself at work. You simply shifted the eating window earlier. This gentle daily fast works wonders. It lowers chronic inflammation across your body. It improves your resting heart rate. It gives your digestive tract a real vacation. Most people have guts working constantly. Giving your gut 14 hours off is revolutionary. The tissue actually has time to heal itself. This is how you fixed a leaky gut.
Adapting this to a normal work schedule. It sounds impossible if you work late, but there are ways to hack the system. You do not need a dining table. The 5 o'clock meal can be portable. You can eat it at your desk. It can be a dense protein smoothie. It can be a prepped container of food. The location does not matter to your body. Only the timing and the nutrients matter. Shift your mindset about what dinner is. It is not always a massive event. It is just the final refueling stop. Treat your lunch as your biggest social meal. Go out with colleagues during the day. Make the evening meal purely functional. This mental shift removes the stress completely. The transition period is undeniably rough. Your body will fight the change initially. The first 3 days feel very strange. You might feel hungry before bed. You might have trouble falling asleep at first. Your circadian rhythm is actively shifting gears. Your hunger hormones are trying to adjust. Ghrelin will spike at your old dinner time. It takes about a week to reset. Push through this temporary discomfort. Stay hydrated and stick to the schedule. By day 4, something magical happens. The evening hunger suddenly disappears entirely. You feel a strange sense of calm. Your body accepts the new rhythm. You start enjoying the empty stomach feeling. It feels like lightness instead of deprivation.
Your morning routine will completely transform. You will wake up before your alarm. This happens for almost everyone who tries it. Your gut has no heavy meals sitting inside. Your sleep cycles become incredibly efficient. You get more deep sleep and REM sleep. You require less total time in bed. You wake up feeling actually restored. You will not need immediate heavy coffee. Morning cortisol peaks exactly as it should. This provides smooth energy without the jitters. You can exercise fasted with amazing power. Your muscles are fueled by stored glycogen. Your body is a finely tuned machine. You stop dragging yourself out of bed. You literally bounce up, ready to go.
We ignore our natural design too often. We let work schedules dictate our biology. We let artificial lights trick our hormones. Restaurant culture shapes our health too much. You can choose to step out of it. It costs absolutely nothing to change mealtimes. You do not need expensive supplements. You do not need a fancy gym membership. You just need a clock and some discipline. You move your dinner a few hours earlier, and in return, you get your energy back. You get your sleep architecture back. You let your body heal itself nightly. It is the simplest health intervention everywhere.
Try it for just one single week. Commit to the 5 o'clock golden hour. See how your sleep transforms completely. Notice how your morning energy rockets up. Pay attention to how your clothes fit differently. Your body wants to run on this schedule. It is waiting for you to sync up. Give your digestive system the rest it deserves. Let your cellular repair crew do their job. Breaking the late dinner habit changes everything. It is a tiny shift with massive returns. You are taking control of your biological clock. Evening meals will never look the same way. Go prep your early dinner right now. The golden hour is waiting for you.